Watch, here he goes. Now push it. Here he goes.
He's doing it.
Yep, he's doing it. Watch. Here he goes. Well, he knows his head got stuck in it last time.
Stepping on it.
Oh, it came out, and he didn't even see it.
Idiot.
I think it's still in there.
He thought it came out the side. Now he's looking.
Watch, he's gonna get it stuck on his head.
That was funny last time. I wish he'd do it again. Dude, come on, get him! Get him!
It's like, you're right. My head got stuck in there. Watch out, because he comes like a son of a gun right back through trying to get it off his head.
It's so stupid.
He was going pretty fast.
Dude, come on, I'm taping you.
Here he goes. No, maybe not.
Yeah. Idiot.
Funny to watch him now. His head's in there. Look out!